Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Omnisend for automated e-commerce campaigns, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Omnisend for automated e-commerce campaigns, start by logging into your Omnisend account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations tab on the left sidebar. Search for your e-commerce platform in the integration options. Click on the integration to view the setup instructions. Follow the prompts to connect your e-commerce store to Omnisend. After connecting, return to the dashboard. Next, go to the Automation section in the left sidebar. Click on Create Workflow to start building your first automated campaign. Choose from the available workflow templates based on your campaign goals. Select the one that best suits your needs, like Welcome Series or Cart Abandonment. Next, customize the workflow by clicking on the different steps. Edit the messages, triggers, and timings according to your e-commerce strategy. Use the drag and drop feature to rearrange steps as needed. Once you are satisfied with your workflow, click on Save Workflow. Test your automation by simulating the customer journey. Check if the emails or messages go out as intended. Make any necessary adjustments based on your test results. Lastly, monitor the performance of your automated campaigns in the Analytics section. Review key metrics and optimize as needed for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.